In this video, we would like to learn how to insert images in PowerPoint. Now, to insert images in PowerPoint, it is very easy and straightforward. We can either insert, so for instance, if I want to insert image in PowerPoint, I can come to the Insert tab, and then under Images over here, I come to Pictures, and then I click here. I have the option of inserting pictures either from the device, stock image, or from online pictures, right? So you have this avenue for you to insert pictures, right? So let's have a look at something like that, how to insert picture. So what I'll do is I'll create a new blank slide. So I come to Home, and then under New Slide, and then I select Blank Slide. So this is what we are going to use for today's practice. So to insert an image is very easy. So you can come to Insert tab, and the Insert tab, I come to Pictures, and then I have the option of selecting from either the device, okay, which is an image I already downloaded, or stock images online, or some other online pictures. So for me, I have the images downloaded on the machine, so I'll select from this device. Okay, so here are some pictures that I have. So let's say I want to insert the picture with this beautiful young lady over here. So I insert that. Okay, so once I insert the picture, I have the option of moving it around like I wish. If I want to increase the size, I can just press and hold the right mouse and then drag the side like this to scale it proportionally. If you want to distort it, use press and hold the middle over here, and then you can distort it, but that is not what we want. So yes, so this is how we insert an image in PowerPoint. Very easy, very straightforward. Now there is another way you can do that. Okay, so let's say I want to insert image. For instance, if you look at this, you can see that the image is shaped in this rounded edge rectangle over here. Okay, so how can we insert image that looks like this? Or maybe you want to have your images looking something like this, or maybe something like this, right? How do you do it? You don't need to insert the image and crop it like you want, like this. No, you distort the image. So what we'll do is, for instance, let's say we want to insert and it will look something like this. So what I'll do is, this time around, I'll come to Insert, and then under Shapes, I select the shapes, then I look through and see the shape that I like, okay, or the shape which I want the image to look like. So for instance, I want this a diagonal corners rounded rectangle. That is what I want. So I'll select that, then I'll drag to draw it. Okay, so this, you have the option of making it smaller, longer, making it more rounded edged, or making it, you can customize it or shape it how you want. Okay, then you can, if you like, under Shape Format, whilst your shape is selected, you can remove any outline. So no outline over here. You can remove any outline as you would like. Okay, so let's say this is what I want. I like it like this. So what I'll do next is, for me to insert the picture, I'll click on the icon, and then the Shape Format tab will open at the top over here. I'll select that, and then under the Shape Styles over here, I'll click on the little shape format shape icon over here. I'll click on that, and that will open a panel for me on the right side of my canvas or my PowerPoint. So still under Shape Options, not Text Option, Shape Option, I'll come to the Fill. Okay, so currently, because we have blue color here, it is at Solid Fill. If I go to No Fill, it will be empty. If I come to Solid Fill, the color is back. If I want to fill it with gradient, I can select Gradient Fill. But if I want to fill it with pattern, I can use this patterns to also fill it over here. You have so many options to choose from, but we want to fill it with an image. Okay, so I'll select this picture or texture fill, I'll select that. By default, PowerPoint will fill it with this texture, but that is not what I want. I want to insert the picture of this young lady in there. So still under picture or texture fill, these options over here will pop up below once you select the picture or texture fill. So I will select the insert over here, and then from the option that come, I will select my pictures. So yes, so after selecting insert, I have the option of either inserting the picture from my machine, that stock images, maybe online pictures, or from icons. For me, my pictures are already on my machine, so I will select from my device. Okay, so now that this has loaded, I will click on this picture, that is what I want, and then I'll click insert. Okay, so right now if you look at it, it is this is how it is looking, but you can still format it. So still under the shape fill, once you insert the image, you have this offset left, offset right, top and bottom to actually customize how you want to do it. So I'm going to go offset bottom and go in the negative direction to stretch the picture a little bit. Okay, that is okay. Then the bottom, I do something like this. Okay, that okay. So you can play with these options to see which best suits what you want, and then that would be okay. So for me, I think bottom -13 and then top -13 is okay for me. So this is looking great for me. So this is how we insert pictures in PowerPoint. The same thing if I want to insert the picture in a circular form. Okay, you can just go to shape, select your circle, press and hold down shift to draw your shape, and then you can go on from here to go to picture fill and then fill it with the picture that you so desire, and then you can make some 1 or 2 adjustments to that, and that will be your result. Okay, so over here, this is how it's looking so far. You can make some adjustments to that as well. So you can toggle between these options. So let me make them 0 0. This is how it's looking. Okay, so you can see this one has an outline, that blue outline. If I don't want the outline, I'll select it, come to shape format, and then under shape outline, I select the area over here. I come to no outline over here, select this, and then the outline will be gone. Okay, so basically this is how we insert images in PowerPoint. This can be really helpful. As you can see, I have done some of the slides over here using that approach of using shapes. As you can see, the slide is very beautiful, very minimalistic, and then this as well were all done using shape. This as well was also done using shapes. This was also done using shapes, and then this was also done using shape. So there are so many ways you can use it, and these are some examples that you're already seeing in the visual representation of this beautiful PowerPoint presentation. So thank you so much. I believe you've learned something new. If you're new to the channel, consider subscribing and then follow me for more tips on PowerPoint, Word, Excel, and Publisher. Thank you once again, and bye bye.